Welcome back to another video. Me and Zach are pissing around on the quad bike. It's good fun. We're going to try and do a high speed test, or high speed as a 50cc quad bike goes, but let's see Zach, he's ripping it. Here he comes. It's amazing. It's quality. Now there's no snow here as well. Actually, just you can just hold that power band on. Come at me, bro. Come on. It rips, doesn't it? For something so small, it absolutely whips.
I thought you did the DC1.
Right, I'll stop filming. I'm going to stop filming and then I'll give Zach the app so he can see what the fastest lap is, so he can just hold it or whatever. So he just hit a top speed of 36 kilometers an hour. I reckon there's more in it. I reckon you could easily squeeze over 40 out of that if you just had the balls to just hold it on the power band. But here he comes again. Listen to it as it screams. Ready? Yeah! Oh, it's just so much fun. Brilliant. You were ripping it. You were ripping it. Does it feel fast?
All the vibrations are going through me and I
It's like,
honestly, I feel like, oh my god, this is going to be fast.
You just got to keep holding it on and just keep committing it. Give it another rip. Like, just hold on the power band as long as possible.
I'm not even at full.
You're not even at full? What, when you did that high speed run, you weren't even at full?
I don't think so.
Oh man, we need to do it again. I reckon we can hit 40. We can hit 40, all right? We'll try again. So he's off to try and beat his 37 kilometers an hour. He's gonna come at it. He's done a couple of test runs and he has absolutely full beans that. You'll hear it, wait, here he's extended his run up. Watch this. Here he is. Giving him the thumbs up. Listen to this. Power band's coming on. There we go. That is epic. That is epic. Yeah, you were well close to that bush as well. What does it feel like? Is it terrifying?
I'm not sure if people see my eyes.
Yeah, you look absolutely, I've never seen your eyes whiter like this. Ah! I tell you what, try, no. What about, because it's not cutting out now, so do you want to give it a go?
What? I'm not going full out on that.
No, just enjoy it. Flat out! Flat out!
Flat out now.
Let's go. We're definitely allowed to be on this property. It's not at all illegal in any way. I saw it. As soon as it hit the power band there, you went, no.
I was just
You were like, whoa. Oh, but it should have enough suspension. So go turn around. I want to see like some beams down there. Oh fuck! I just stood in a puddle.
What?
Don't worry. Oh, my foot is soaking. just hear him screaming. Little bits of joy, but it's so much fun. Right, here he comes. Did you poo your pants, Zach?
I don't even get the stage of everything.
It was well funny. I just... Was that you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. That was the most immense fun. I might give it a go, see if I can actually...
Yeah.
I'm not sure the clutch will actually maintain the ability, but I'll probably take it onto the main road to give it a bit more chance. My weight and a clutch like this struggles. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I've squeezed myself in this helmet. Look at my cheeks! Look at my cheeks!
Now it's your turn to die.
My cheeks are freaking coming out of the helmet! This is not my size!
I don't care. Okay,
Right.
I'll take the camera.
Well, no, I'm gonna try and do a speed run. Actually, I'll let you take the camera first to film it, and then we'll do a speed run and see if I can. I'm not gonna get close to yours because I weigh more, but I want to see how far off I am to your speed.
Sorry for the shaky cam.
So the police the airport's just there, so the police do a patrol, but I'm not sure how kindly they take to people doing quad biking on a Sunday around here, so I'm just waiting for them to pass casually. I'm not doing anything here, mate, not doing anything here.
You gave him a gentle wave when she was like, hello.
We're not doing anything here, mate. We're definitely not quad biking here. We're definitely not.
But then there's another lad who is going all the way down there. You would think he's like on the run or something.
Yeah. Do you reckon we were subtle enough then?
Now they're coming back.
Are they really?
No.
Oh, Jesus. I didn't want to turn around. I was like, shit. All right, they've gone. Now we can get back to it. All right,
Yeah,
going to do high speed test time. Let's go.
Speed run.
It's like, we're not here. Honestly, we're not doing anything dodgy. Good job they didn't catch us going around there.
Oh my God, yeah, imagine that.
I literally just said to the camera beforehand, honestly, this isn't illegal what we're doing. We're not trespassing in any way. And then the police come by and I'm like, da, da, da. The hair's even worse now. Look at it, I've got a proper helmet hair. Cheers.
Tap on the head.
Cheers, Zach. I hit 37. So 37 was my max speed.
I got 38.
Zach got 38. Do you reckon you could do any faster? Do you reckon you can get 40?
I
reckon.
I can at least get. I think if I actually start from up here and go all the way down there.
Yeah, you reckon that way?
I think because otherwise there's a turn there.
Yeah, I reckon you got more chance if you start.
I've got more speed.
there
I've got
and go
more,
all the way
I can gather
down.
more momentum then.
There.
Yeah.
Right, let's give it a go. Let's try and hit that 40. I reckon we've got to have. We're 2 kilometres there. We've got to be able to do this.
Yeah, be able to run for an hour.
I don't know. It seems. Well, the people that we know, when it wasn't running properly, they said basically just give it loads of shit and just drive it flat out. So.
We're doing a good job.
We're doing a good job. We're literally driving it flat out. Police can't stop us.
Like we were saying, we're just trying to fix our thing.
Yeah, we're just trying to fix our thing. You could just ride it down here. I don't know why you're pushing a motorised vehicle when it works.
I'm taking it to the garage. I'm going in the opposite direction.
You have weird ideas. Helmets going on. Prep.
Should like cue intense music and then slow motion.
Yeah. Boom. I'll make this B-roll. Tension. Bike.
Only if I could get the
Helmet. Bike. Road. Speed.
Onions.
And what? Weird. He did it. He started it. Well done. Do you want to do one test run first? Do you want to do one test run before we? Yeah, to see what, because we haven't been this way. So you do one test run and I'll film it, and then I'll give you the phone and then you can measure it. And that noise. It was flat out there. And he's back. He absolutely went flat out on that one. So he's lining up. This is the, can we hit 40 kilometers an hour? Tuck yourself right down as well. Get into like aerodynamic position. We gotta do what we can to get that extra 2 kilometers an hour. Yeah, zip up your jacket. We don't want any drag. The lengths you go to get an extra 2 kilometers an hour, we can do this. You just missed the best moment. He just got back. And we were like, and I genuinely could hear him screaming from all the way up there. The entire way. He was there, he ducked right down going, "Aah!" And then he gets back and I was like, did he make it? Did he make it?
And then we had this little look.
We grabbed the phone, checked it. 40 kilometers an hour. We did it!
Okay, I scream a lot louder when I have that next to me. So I hear I'm just speaking loud. So I don't know how loud I was screaming.
Absolutely nailed it though. We hit that 40 kilometers an hour for our tiny little 50cc child's quad. Now we know that 40 is probably our max at this point.
Yeah.
So now we can get an uprated carb for this.
Oh yeah, we're getting that then.
Yeah, get that, make it go faster.
Our next aim is 50.
Yeah. Well,
we're gonna make it as fast as the go-kart. Oh yeah, that's almost as fast as the go-kart.
Yeah, it is actually, yeah. Which is saying something. We weren't even gonna do anything on the quad today. Zach was like, should we go on the go-kart or the quad? And I'm like, go on then. It's actually, for once, it's not raining. It's been pissing down all week for multiple weeks, and now it's fine.
Over.
So we were like, well, it's not. It's going to piss down tomorrow. So why not make the most of the afternoon that we have? Smash around on the quad.
You guys should have seen my battle cry. It was amazing.
It was. Well, do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
It's like it's a proper buzz though, I have to say.
Yeah.
It feels 40 kilometers an hour. I know it isn't exactly that fast, but on something like this, it feels
engine, and as
feels
with
well
nothing
fast.
around you, all the wind's just pushing at you, so you feel everything.
And the vibrations as well, isn't it?
Oh, like literally, whilst I was walking from the garage after that speed run, my legs were like, every time I touched the ground. You
still feel like the vibrations in your limbs afterwards. But it is great fun. I'm so pleased we got this. It's just such a laugh.
A great buy.
Yeah, it's such a laugh. It's sketchy as anything, but
definitely.
let's see how fast we can make it. So we know that our benchmark right now, 40 kilometers an hour. If we can hit 50 in it with some mods, I think that will be.
Yeah, we'll give you a quad if whoever gives us another quad.
That makes literally 0 sense.
Just edit that out.
I always do, Zach. I always do.
That's why I'm never in the video, because
that's not even true. You're in the video all the time.
Yeah, because
it's just me and you. Yeah, that's because no one else. I'm like, I'm gonna go downstairs and piss around with go-karts and stuff. Everyone else goes, yeah, see you later. And Zach goes, I'm coming. and Harper does as well. Harper, to be fair, the last video link will be somewhere. Top corner.
Like right corner. Right
I know, but does it? Or was it that side? I don't know if it flips.
Flop?
Flop?
Okay, either
flip?
way, left.
Yeah. Of the video of Harper on the quad bike in the snow, which was epic. I'm keen to get her back out on this. But yeah, let's go. Give it some full beans. Oh, fuck's sakes. Running is not my favourite pastime, as you can probably fucking tell. Oh, alright, Zach's gonna come towards me. decides it's going to cut out. Typical. So Zach didn't want to ride it back to the garage. We're going to take it in now. We know what we know we need to get it faster. We did our speed run, and he didn't want to ride it back. So now it's my turn. I absolutely crapped my pants. One-handed, riding this. Oh, let's take it back to the garage. I got carried away. There you go. It's so sketch. Like when I start braking, it just does this. Yeah, you need two hands. Oh. I got it. Ah! Oh, yes! Good boy! Epic. Proper win. Yeah, we need to sort that one out. Wicked, let's get back inside and go enjoy our afternoon. I think I need to sit down and a coffee now. I'm shaking like a shitting dog.
I'm not. I have my break.
The adrenaline.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
We're back in the house. We're kind of having a come down from our adrenaline. We all stink of, Zach and I both stink of fumes. Two-stroke fumes, the best fumes. And
I actually like this. The
it's
fumes.
quite nice, isn't it?
It smells nice.
Yeah, and now we're gonna
end it.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Even ring the notification bells. Yeah, or not.
Whatever, mate.
Or should I do one of those things where I say it's completely free and it really helps us out?
Yeah, that one as well.
Yeah.
Wicked. No one's watching it at this point. Like all of this point, everyone's gone.
We're basically speaking to a camera, and that's
to ourselves.
That's.
If you do watch this, write something to let us know that you did. Bumble squat.
What?
Don't know anything.
Okay, try it. Put in the edit and write it down because I don't know how to write bumble squat.
Oh Jesus! Anyway, we'll see you on the next one, or don't. Whatever. See you later. Bye.
Bye.